Other way. That thing sound good though too.
Right here, the real me. I had to make the fulfill me. I had some folks trying to kill.
What's up, you guys? What it is, what it do, man? It's your boy Jay the Hallway, back in this thing with another video, man. There's a will, there's a way, because we're doing it the legit way now. No more ski mask way, man. So, man, if you just not tuning into the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm going up, man. I'm going up. I'm putting in that work. I'm putting in that work, man. Slowly but surely, you know what I'm saying? It takes a lot, man, to deal with these cars. One thing I do like about my car, man, even though it's a hard T57, you know what I'm saying? I can do more to my car versus the Scat Pack and the Hellcat. You can't really do that much to them. If you throw a tune on, that's all you can do to them. But with these, you can do so much to them. So it's a lot more content that can go into these videos, man, when you know what I'm saying, making these, you know. But you know, just like I said, man, me myself, man, I've always been an appearance person. You know, I've had some hardship, man. Stopped me from doing a lot of things that I have wanted to do. But you know, that just comes. That's just part of life, should I say? But if you're not following me on Instagram, man, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I do appreciate all the love and support I've been having throughout the channel, throughout the movement. You know what I'm saying? My channel, man, was initially anyway gonna be an inspirational channel, man, because I know there's some people out there that do be needing that inspiration, man. I know there's a lot of people out there that want these cars, and I know there's a lot of people out there that's down on their luck, especially right now throughout this time and everything. But anyway, man, right now I'm on my way over to the muffler shop. I heard some kind of weird noise, man. Well, I've been hearing it for a while. I just hadn't had the chance to come out here. But if you're new to the channel, man, I'm Dre. It's my channel, man. Inspirational, motivational, you know what I'm saying? Channel. Plus a car channel, you know what I'm saying? Just for anybody out there that's interested in these cars, man. Or we just need some insight, man. Get your priorities right first, man. Do that. Get your priorities right first. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people's priorities are messed up. You know what I'm saying? You got an 89 some $1,000 car, man, but you live in an apartment. But you know, to each his own. I don't judge nobody, man. I don't want nobody to judge me. But if you haven't, man, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going up all the rest of 2020, man. But like I said, right now, I'm on my way to the muffler shop, man. My car has been hearing something weird going on in my muffler, so I'm on my way over there right now. See what's going on. You know what I'm saying? They might just take the blowtorch to or whatever. Because as you know, man, I have no resonators. I have no mufflers. Straight pipe all the way. If you haven't already, man, go back and watch that video. You know what I'm saying? A and B mufflers. That's who did my work. But you can see, man. Yeah, man, I got new merch. I'm coming. It's a rough draft, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to do something, man. You know. Trying to do something different, man. Should I say just find my way? But this is just a rough draft, like I said, man. Just, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section with the shirt, whatever. You know, I got my YouTube and Instagram on the back. You know what I'm saying? I'm in traffic right now. avoiding traffic right now. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna get over here, man. I might give you a little bit more of this riding footage on my way out here, but that's pretty much what this video is gonna be about today. You know what I'm saying? Just a short little video, man. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this camera off right now. I'm gonna turn it back on whenever I feel like it. Yes, sir.
People throw it in the pot. Got good prices on the trees and extra numbers on the blocks. I spend the house for a watch. I can do this shit, yeah.
Like I said, man, look at all this construction they doing down here. All this right here is for Six Flags. They doing all this construction just for Six Flags. Y'all can see, man, Six Flags back there. Yeah, man. I say they doing all this construction for Six Flags. Come on, brother. Yes, sir. SRT thing right there. What's up, you guys? You know, man, it's your boy Dre the Hard. I'm up here at A&B Mufflers. You understand? A&B Mufflers. These boys up here, where you got an SRT Hellcat Challenger right there. That Jeep SRT thing right here. I'm gonna get y'all on the channel, man.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all see my baby right there. This thing right here on this wrap is crazy. Hey, that thing's crazy. I see it, man. Look at that. That mat. With that hood, man. Yeah, man. I just ran to these fellas up here, A&B Mufflers, man. And, you know what I'm saying? Homeboy getting some work. And like I said, man, I've been in the process and thinking about trying to start an all-Challenger car kit. Been a Challengers in the metro place. When you looking at whoa! Like I said, in the Challengers in the metro place. Man, you want to get together, man, link up, man. Follow me on IG, Dre the Hard Way, man. Send me a DM, man. We can go from there. This thing here sounds good, man. He just got all this work done. He just got all this work done. Yes, sir. I like that hood, bro. Woo. Look at that interior.
Yeah,
that interior.
I got the interior from my car before I traded it in.
Yeah.
So I took his seats and we put his seats in.
Okay.
He was like, bro, you can't. He said, man, trust me, they ain't gonna care if you trade it in.
They not. They're not.
I don't know, man. They might not take it, but they ain't even noticed.
They didn't.
Because they appraised it, and then we took the seats out, and they didn't even notice.
They let you know right there they just wanted the car.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They wanted the car, but that thing, that boy. I like these Hellcats way better. They ain't got the peanut butter interior, man. That interior crazy. Oh yeah. Hellcat hood coming soon, man. Hellcat hood coming soon. Yeah, man, follow me on IG, man. We can link up and get together, man. For real. Y'all see his interior, man. That thing crazy. You know what I'm saying? SRTs on. We doing 315s or 305s? Them big 315s. And he just got his whole exhaust done. See it, borla. I see it, man. A&B Mufflers. You know what I'm saying? Grand Prairie, Texas. Northeast 9th. Northeast 9th. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I'm out here, man. I'm putting in their work. That's the man right there. On the Hellcat right there, SRT thing. Oh, we got this guy, young guy over here. That's a Rio. See your brother. See your brother. Ooh. This man, with his Kia Rio, man, he done a whole lot of work to this thing. Exhaust, everything. He says the only Kia Rio in the whole Metroplex like this. All the body work is done on it. He done it himself. You know what I'm saying? He said he liked to race. He liked to race on the street though. That's a little dangerous, but hey, it's his own. You know what I'm saying? It's his own. Good sir. I see it, man. With the racing seats and everything. Little youngster, he put some money, that's the part right there. He didn't put some money into it, he said, man. For anybody in the Kias out here that want to smoke or tune a period, he said he gonna blow the doors off it. I'm just saying. Yes, sir. I see him. I'm out here. Alright, I'm here with RT loud. Man, that Jeep thing clean though. That Jeep thing clean though. Yes, sir. I gotta get that Wayne King thing in that thing. Woo. Uh-oh. Get my brother away. That thing sounds good though too. That motherfucker's so loud, boy. Man, that's RT thing right here, man. Yes, sir. I'll see that foot on that thing, man. Get that boy. Get that boy a father. That's loud. Shit, man, this video was totally unexpected. I wasn't expecting all this what's going on up here, but that thing sound good, brother.
Yeah.
That thing sound real good, man.
Beautiful. You know how to do Instagram?
What, live?
Nah, just hold.
Yes, sir. I know they about to give me some action. That thing there. That thing that loud. That loud. I know they about to get some action going on. I know we about to get some action going. Yes, sir. That thing already. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know them boys about to give me some action. But I'm gonna pull my car up in here right now, man. Let them take a look at it and see what's I got any leaks or anything like that right there. Sorry, man. The pimp was all in my nose. But if you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man.
He had a exhaust speakers, had a sound to
It
it,
had a sound to it, brother.
a rattle.
No, it's more like a whistle kind of.
It's 1 liter running, bro.
Yeah, man. Like I was saying, man, I was hearing like a whistle and something going on in my muffler. I wasn't quite sure what it is. It didn't sound right to me, so I came up there. But that's it all the time, man. My baby, man. I'm saying, by the time y'all see this video, Tyler, everything gonna be on. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. By the time y'all get this video, man, Tyler, everything on, you know. Everything gonna be copacetic. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's a movement. Oh, I forgot to clean that. But yeah, man, she going up right now. what's going on right now. I see it. A&B Mufflers, Grand Prairie, Texas, man. Like I said, they do struts, they do brakes, they do shocks, they do mufflers, they do pipes. Come on up here, man. But I said, man, she was sounding some kind of way. For real, he was sounding some kind of way. So we're gonna check it out, man. We'll see what's going on. I'm gonna cut this camera back on in a minute. Yeah, man, they sound there near a little well. Right there where his finger there near a little well right there. So they gonna get me right, man. Like I said, A&B Muffler Shop, man, Grand Prairie, Texas. Y'all see the sign, man. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all come work with them. Holler them, tell them the hallway sent you, man. This is where I came to get my straight pipe and everything done. If you're not familiar with that video, go back and watch that video. You know what I'm talking about? It was one of my first mods, which is almost should be one of your first mods when you're getting one of these cars. Your first mod should be pipe, whether the resonator delete, whether the muffler delete, either or, man, it don't matter. But yes, sir, y'all see, man. You know what I'm saying?
Just go ahead and do the quad tips, bro.
I'm gonna have to wait on it. I want to do them.
You wanna come check them out?
Yeah. I want to do them, but I it's gonna have to be another video.
You ready? I got the 3.5, 4 inch.
4 inches gonna be. Cause I got diffuser too. Also, I'm gonna be adding to the car. Yeah. I got the diffuser. Yeah, I had some chrome ones on there before. Yeah.
Took them off.
Yeah. You can see it right here.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
So I took them off and got the hellcat replicas. Yeah, man. But see if they got. I don't see no address on here, man. I don't see no address. I can't give y'all no address. But, all right, you guys. So yeah, man, I had to go on here to get that. So I needed a weld pretty much. That's why my car pretty much sounded like I needed a weld. But I think I probably need to go ahead and ceramic coat my pipes, I guess. I don't know if that's even possible, man. If anybody know anybody, man, that does that, that does a ceramic coating on pipes or whatever, hit me down in the description, man. Or not the description, but the comment section, man. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm constantly trying to find things to do. You know, that can help prevent these pipes from rusting or something like that, man. Please leave a comment down below, man. But it's hot. It's cooler and it's still hot. So, it's cooler. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy Dre the Hardway, man. I'm going in, man. If you ain't noticing, I'm going in, brother. I'm going in, man. But it's gonna be a wrap this video. It really is. It's gonna be a wrap this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram, man, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Like I said, man, y'all see the merch. You know what I'm saying? It's in the works. Like I said, this is just a little rough draft, but it's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. It's your boy Dre the Hardway, man. There's the wheel, there's the way, because I'm doing the legit way, no more ski ways, ski ways. I'm out this thing, man. Peace.